The chapter deals with quadratic equations. Before we start the chapter, let us first learn to identify quadratic equations. What is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is an expression which has degree 2. So here we see it has degree 2 and it has at most 3 terms. The number of zeros in a quadratic could be 2 zeros or 1 zero or no zeros. So a quadratic given to you may have 3 zeros, 1 zero or 2 zeros. We'll go to this in detail a little later. And a general quadratic equation is written like this: ax square plus bx plus c. So have you seen here that the degree is 2? This is the degree, and it has 3 terms and it will have 2 zeros or maybe 1 zero or no zero. But what is important is a quadratic equation has this general form. This is called the general form of the quadratic equation, of our quadratic expression. In our first question here we have x plus 1 the whole square, and we need to find out is it quadratic or not. So all we do is open the bracket. We use the formula a plus b the whole square. So x plus 1 the whole square will be x square, 2x plus 1. We open the bracket here, 2x minus 6. Now we bring all the x terms. In fact, I can do it right out. This will cut out here. So what is left now here is x square plus 1 equal to minus 6. X square plus 1, the minus 6 on the side, plus 6 equal to 0. X square plus 7 equal to 0. Now, to know if it's a quadratic, what is the degree of this? The degree of this expression is 2. The highest power is 2. So you will say, yes, it is quadratic because it has degree 2. Now for the second one, you have x square minus 2x equal to minus 2, 3 minus x. Is it quadratic? Let us solve it. X square minus 2x, I now open the bracket, minus 6 minus minus plus 2x. I bring all the terms together, 2x. Now remember this plus 2x, when it goes on the other side will become minus 2x. The minus 6 will become plus 6, becomes equal to 0. So I have x square minus 4x. How did I get 4x? Minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Now what is the degree of this? What is the highest power? This expression has got 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, and this is its highest power. The highest power is 2, so yes, it is quadratic. Highest power 2 makes it quadratic. Now for the third one, here is the equation. Let's open the bracket. So while opening the bracket, we know we have to multiply x into x, then x into plus 1. So x into x is x square, then x into plus 1 is plus 1x, then minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Here again we multiply x into x, which is x square. Then we have x into plus 3 minus x minus 3. Now what we do is we'll cancel this x square on either sides, bring all the x terms together. Here is the x term, here is this x term. These are all the x terms. We'll bring them together. Now this x term is changing sides, so becomes minus 3x. This x term is changing sides, so plus x. And then we have minus 2. We bring this also on the other side, plus 3 equal to 0. Now here when we add up, when we solve this, we will get minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now what is the degree of this expression? So the degree here is the highest power, and that is 1. The degree is 1. So not quadratic. We need degree 2. This is not quadratic equation because its degree is 1. Now let's get on with the next one. We have the fourth, we've written it again, we multiply, we first open the bracket, x into 2x will be 2x square, then x into this will be 1x. We continue, minus 3 into 2x is minus 6x, minus 3 into 1 is 1, then we open this bracket too, so x into x, x square. This is a mistake here. So this is what happens when it opens the bracket. I'll bring all the x squared terms together. So here is another x squared term, it will become minus x square. All the x terms together, this is the x term on the other side, so it becomes 3 equal to 0. Now when you work further, this together will become x square. Then you put these all x terms together and you'll get minus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. Now what is the degree of this equation? The degree is the highest power, the degree is 2 here, so it is quadratic. So for this is the fifth one, let's open the brackets. So in the first we get 2x into x, 2x square. Now 2x into this, minus 6x. Now it's minus 1 into x, minus 1x, minus 1 plus 3. Here we open the bracket again, x square minus 1x plus 5x minus 5. We'll bring all the x square terms together. This is x square. This is another x square here, minus x square. Now we'll bring all the x terms together. So these are the x terms. So plus 1x, changes side, plus 5x minus 5x, and the non-x terms together now. Plus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. And when you solve this, you will get x square minus, on solving this, you will get 11x, and on solving this, you'll get plus 8 is equal to 0. Again, the degree of this, here the degree of this we see is 2, and if the degree is 2, yes, it is quadratic because its degree is 2. For the sixth one, this is the sixth sum. We open the bracket here, this we write as it is. We use the formula a minus b the whole square, a square b square plus 2ab, a square b square minus 2ab. Now here I can cancel out the x square, x square. Right now I have guessed it is not quadratic. Why? The x square terms have cancelled out. There are no x square terms here. We'll put it together. 3x, this is the x term here. It comes here, becomes 4x plus 1, this minus 4 equal to 0. So 7x minus 3 equal to 0. So in this case, the degree of this equation, have you seen, is 1, equal to 1. So it is not quadratic. It can't be quadratic. Degree is 1. We need to have degree 2 to be quadratic. Now for the seventh one. So if you notice here is x plus 2 the whole cube. So let's recollect the formula of a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube was a cube, b cube, 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now when we're using it here, a plus 2 the whole cube will be a cube, then this is my b cube, 3a square b plus 3ab square equal to 2x x square minus 1. So this is x cube, 2 cube is 8. Now this, when I multiply this thing, I'll get 6x square. Now here I will get 12x. This is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. In my next step, I'll bring all the terms together. So x cube, so this term will become here minus 2x cube. I'll bring all the x square terms together. So this is my plus 6x square. Here there is no x. Now I'll bring the x terms together. 12x, this is another, so plus 2x, and here I have my 8 plus 8 equal to 0. To go further, when I do this, I will get my x cube minus x cube. Here I'll get plus 6x square plus 12x, and this will give me 14x plus 8 equal to 0. Now what is the degree of this highest power? Is 3. The degree is 3, not quadratic. We need degree 2. Let's get on with this one, the 8th one. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. I open the bracket again, x minus b the whole cube. So this is a cube minus 2 cube. It's plus 3 a square b minus 3 a b square. Just repeat here. If this is minus here, this becomes minus, and we have this plus, and this becomes again minus. Let's continue. So x cube 4x square minus x plus 1, x cube minus 2 cube is 8, and here we'll get minus 6x square. Here we'll get 12x. Here the cube gets cancelled on either sides. We bring all the x square terms together. Minus 4x square, there's an x square here, plus 6x square, minus x here, minus 12x. So we have plus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. So minus 4x square. Here I will get plus, so this is 6x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. Now here we see that our degree, then we add this 2, so 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. So in this case degree is 2, so it is quadratic, degree 2.